The unpaid balance method. Using the unpaid balance method, find the current month's finance charge on a credit card account having the following transactions. The first step in the unpaid balance method is to use I equals PRT to find the finance charge for last month's balance. And we always let T equal 1/12 when using the unpaid balance method. P, or the principal, in this case is going to be last month's balance, which is $350. We'll multiply that to R, which is 15%, and the decimal equivalent is 0.15. And T is 1/12. And keep a fraction. Don't convert 1/12 to a decimal because you might have rounding error at the end of your answer. Now we'll just multiply 350 times 0.15 and we get 52.5. Next, we're going to multiply that by 1/12. Now, multiplying by 1/12 is the same as dividing by 12. So on your calculator, just do 52.5 divided by 12, and you should get a value of 4.375. Now, I is the amount of interest earned, which is a monetary amount, so I should be rounded to the nearest cent, which is $4.38. That's our answer to step 1. Step 2 is to calculate the current principal. Principal equals last month's balance plus last month's finance charge plus purchases minus returns minus payments. Last month's balance was $350. We're going to add last month's finance charge. That was found in step 1. We found that I equaled $4.38. Then we add the amount of purchases, which is $255. We subtract the returns of $144, and we subtract any payments, which here we have $80. Now when we do that, we can first add $350 plus $4.38, and we get $354.38. Then we'll add that to $255, so we get $609.38. Next, we'll subtract $144, so we get $465.38. Lastly, we'll subtract 80 from that amount, and we get a final amount of $385.38. Now this is our principal, P. The third and final step to the unpaid balance method is to use the formula I equals PRT to find the current month's finance charge. And we need to use the principal that we found in step 2 to do this. So I equals the principal, which is $385.38, times R, which is the interest rate, which was 0.15, times T. And remember, T for the unpaid balance method is always 1/12. That's because we're figuring the amount for 1 month out of a year. First, you'll multiply 385.38 times 0.15, and you'll get 57.807. Next, we'll multiply that value by 1/12, and remember, multiplying by 1/12 is the same as dividing by 12. So when we do 57.807 divided by 12, we get 4.81725. And I is a monetary amount. It's the finance charge, so we need to round this to the nearest cent or 2 decimal places. Our final answer is $4.82. And this is the final answer to the entire problem.